Flood advisory in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio, including the following counties: in north central Ohio, Erie; in northwest Ohio, Ottawa and Sandusky. When? Until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Some low water crossings may become impassable. Ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Additional details. At 8:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sandusky, Norwalk, Fremont, Western Vermilion, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in-Bay, Oregon, Bellevue, Clyde, Northwood, Oak Harbor, Gibsonburg, Genoa, Woodville, Elmore, Green Springs, Northern Milan, and Castalia. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.